kwa swali tumeambiwa tu vizuri kwamba they plans to raise a medium term loan of million shillings for a non-banking financial interest at the rate of 20% per annum. At the rate of 20% per annum. So interest in that? Interest
ni 20%.
20%. So this is now the interest that the company have planned to raise a medium term loan of million shillings for non-banking financial institution. And now, tax began. Tax corporation tax is 10%. Corporation tax of 50%. 50%. Then rotation cost is just 0. Now VD, the market value of debentures now 90. To raise 200,000 15% debentures at 100 shillings of one, yes, at 90 each.
Yani 100
ama 90.
100
ya 100 ama 90. Kivumbi hapo.
100 market value.
The market value,
The market value.
Tunaweza fanya tu hivi example. Tuangalia tu hiyo ya hiyo tu. Hiyo tu. So unaona hapa walichukua the cost of ndio ulifanya wapi hiyo hiyo. So interest tuliweka, then now waliweka 100 because ilikuwa wapi? Ilikuwa 50,000 ordinary share hapo hapana. This percentage share 15 hapana. Issue 22 pages of 100 each at 88, but tulitumia 100. So ni 100.
Yes.
Mbona
Siadi mimi kwa tumesema
100 at 88. Unajua mwalimu mwanzo tulikuwa tumemwambia ni
88 akakata.
Hapana. So tukatumia 100. So the same here ni 100 of 100 at 90 each. So we use 100. So which is now KD is equals to 20 all over. Feed is 100 minus 0. You open that bracket 1 minus 50. Since this is 1 minus 50.